Hey, what's up everyone, it's Netemic and today we're playing some spins.io. Yes, I know, fidget spinners have taken over the world again, but this time it's taken over the .io games. You will now see me play it. These servers are insanely full. That means I'm sorry about this, but hey ho. Now time to wreck some people, but there is lag always about, so I didn't go really fast. So now I have a challenge for you. Can you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications and like the vid in 7 seconds? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 done. If you could do that, then type #McClan in the comments section below. Now let's play this together. And also, if you want me to do more vids on this, then tell me also in the comments section below. Because I'm not getting enough spin RPM on my fidget spinner, I will speed up until I get big, but before that you will have to watch a bit first to see what the game's like. The controls are: to move, use a mouse or touchpad; to dash, hold left click, but while holding left click you will lose spin speed. There is no main menu, but only if you die. Those main controls are basically it. Let's have fun spinning. But soon I will speed up to the bit I was saying before. Okay, getting a bit boring, isn't it? But now the good bits.